Morning, happy Saturday, first Saturday of Big Bear Bolts. I thought I'd better put a video on and tell you what we do. We sell things to a trade, so I just wanted to show you what we sell. It's very in depth, so here we go. We sell them nuts, we sell them nylocks, we also sell bolts, we sell concrete fixings, we sell screws, we sell them, we sell washers, we sell mag drill cutters, we sell gloves, we sell them, we sell them. And then as you look around, we sell mag drills, more gloves, sprays, tools, grinding discs, cutting discs, drill bits. We sell apparel. Save your knees. Get yourself a cap. Stuff. More gloves. Things for your gates and your fences. Come down and see us anytime you like. Apart from Saturday afternoon, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday. We're open late Thursday night though. Come and have a look at Big Bear Bolts. Thank you very much.